Track 61.
So, you've been a famous singer for over 3 decades now. What advice would you give to someone wanting to become famous?
Well, my first piece of advice is don't try and become famous. Instead, focus on being good at something. Choose something you enjoy and then work hard at doing well in that area.
What did you do to become such a successful singer?
Well, a good way to be the best is to learn from the experts. Find people you admire in your area of interest. Try to get as close to them as possible. Observe them carefully. If possible, talk to them. Ask lots of questions. Don't copy them, but try to learn from them. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try something new.
Being the best is one thing, but how did you get yourself known?
Getting yourself known is indeed another skill you must work on. One thing is for sure, nobody is going to come to you. You have to make opportunities for yourself. You have a product to sell, and the product is you. It's much easier to do that these days, especially with the internet around. Many people use social media for this.
Any other piece of advice?
Yes. The last thing I would say is, if you want to be really successful in something, you will most likely experience a certain amount of failure. People who fail at some point often say that the experience has been a great lesson and helped them on the road to success. Try to learn from these moments instead of being frightened of them. In fact, some of the most successful people have often failed countless times before reaching their end goal. What makes them successful is that they kept on trying regardless.